Get your bike or something. Get your bike or something. Yeah. Yep. Come on. We're gonna walk this way. Grandma, can we walk down to Dairy Queen and back? Aw.
Maybe later. Sorry. And that's it. All around the park.
Park? Really?
Ha.
Because this is definitely not a park.
Look around. Do spin around. Spin around. Spin.
Like that?
No. Like you did in the whole video. See, this is the front yard. And then let's go to the side. Well, yeah, let's go to the side.
Wait, there are ants in this grass.
What?
Run, that'll make it worse.
Okay, this side.
Gosh.
Let's go back.
Gross. Gross.
Look it up, look it up.
Oh my god.
Come on. Get up.
I'm coming.
Okay. Anyway.
It's a huge ant pile.
Let's do the side.
Twirly thingy?
This is the backyard. As you see, that back porch with the screening is my school.
Oh, it's a spider.
You can still take pictures during the video, Kate.
No. Spider. Oh my god. End it. Oh my god.
Okay. Anyway, now let's take a pic in my back porch, which is right here.
Yep.
And then this is the other side.
Me.
The sidewalk. And then now,
There's no sidewalk over here though. Go get us. The grass is so tall and gross.
my bike away. And then right. Where?
It's like a cave. We're not going inside. We can't go inside. They're cleaning. They're cleaning. Wait louder. No. No. No.
See how all this goes?
You have an issue getting the door open?
I told her not to go inside because you guys are cleaning.
Come on.
Jesus.
Look at this. Isn't that beautiful lizard right there? See?
Blizzard. Blizzard.
Right there.
Oh.
See it? See it? See it? Let me touch it.
Don't catch it. Don't catch it. Don't catch it. I said don't.
As you see, I was not going to touch it, but you'll see me twirling around right now.
Go over there and dance.
Okay. Daddy, 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 daddy.
I said dance, not sing.
Okay, whatever.
Just dance. 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 Dance, bro.
Daddy, daddy, daddy.
Nanny.
Okay. Okay, what are you going to do next? Dance?
No.
Stretches? As you see, Rihanna is doing stretches, throwing dumb rocks at me with her camera. Which she keeps missing.
Shut up. Oh, dang it.
Well, I'm just saying, you're throwing too hard.
Hey, wait, I can touch my head to my knees.
Okay, good.
Oh, jeez.
Got it. Anyway, we're just see Rihanna doing stretches right now, getting ready to dance.
I'm not dancing.
Wow! Look at these cars, aren't they pretty? Ah, she got me with the camera. Pretty.
Don't do that. Someone's
Anyway.
gonna be scared. Airplane!
Did you get the airplane?
Yes. Yes, my arms tingle.
Tickle, tickle, tickle. Tickle, tickle, tickle. Ooh.
No, no! It's mine. Okay. No, it's my camera. Hey, look at the tree. Look at the cat. There was a cat. It was white. You sound like I have asthma.
What?
You look like I have asthma and I can't run.
Wow. You smarter? Anyway, this is me. Heart beating. Oh.
This is us saying goodbye. Goodbye, world.